We are now in Covina in Southern California, and we are headed to the Big Blue Building, aka Denise's Playground, aka IKEA.
Yes.
And so again, this is for Denise's
Proper Mountain Woman Club.
Yes.
And they're doing a Scandinavian theme this winter.
Okay.
So to go with their Scandinavian theme, one of the merit badges is visit IKEA.
We're supporting Ukrainian colors here. That's what we're doing, right?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I saw this post. It was like
We are now in the parking lot, and parking is free, but it's huge down here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Actually, there's not as many people as there normally is here. I heard that lately there was a run at the Russian IKEA because they were about to close theirs, but there's not a run at the Covina one.
No.
It's been a long time. I wonder if they have chairs. If they have chairs, I would be willing to buy chairs here. We need some
we need some more
chairs.
IKEA chairs.
Some more of the same kind of chairs, or some more
Just dinner chairs.
Yeah,
You know,
our
like the
folding ones.
Our
some
folding
more,
ones.
Probably some more extra chairs. Folding chairs.
Unbox the potential, Denise. That's what it says. Unbox. Inside the IKEA is a cafe, because apparently you need strength to get through all the showcase of IKEA. So that's what we're doing, is going through the cafe. And the famous item is the Swedish meatball. IKEA is on their drinking fountain. They have pear, lemon, raspberry, and lingonberry water. So that's kind of. They got the Swedish meatballs complete with the Swedish flag there. And Denise got
Salmon and hollandaise.
yes. And what kind of vegetable did you get?
Well, I got whatever the seasonal vegetable was. It looks like peppers and zucchini.
And I went for the Stockholm salad and an almond cake. That's what I got. Now in the showroom section of IKEA. So they have little models of different things. They have it all set up and displayed so that you can see it before you take it home in a box. So that's what this area is all about. So you can see what it would look like. You can go with the main arrows, or you can take the shortcuts like that one that will take you back to the beginning again. But we press on, because Denise presses on. We're just following Denise. Okay, the next part of this odyssey is down into where the boxes are. And so that's where we're going, to where you actually buy stuff, because everything here is sold in flat boxes. Out of the home furnishing area. And then if you need to get a really big box, you are over here in the warehouse section. And this is where they keep the really, really big boxes. But everything comes in those flat packages. The idea is that you can just take anything in a regular sized car home with you. They will ship it to you, but at that cost. And you have to assemble everything yourself. Or they will assemble it for you, but they charge a lot for that too. So shipping and putting it together, assembly, is very costly. It is a busy Saturday here, and there are a lot of people waiting in line. So Denise gets the privilege of waiting in line. I'm going to go over to the cafeteria. So I am now in the cafeteria, and there's all sorts of cool stuff. You can buy the almond cake that I had for lunch, and they have pancakes and all sorts of drinks. But I think I'm going to go for some chocolate. Oh, there's some salmon. You can buy the salmon that they had, even the Swedish meatballs. So I ended it out with strawberry ice cream, strawberry soft serve ice cream in a cup. And we are done with our IKEA extravaganza. And we'll see you. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this quick visit to IKEA. And hej da is what they say. Thank you. And we'll see you on the next one.